I guess when I was a little kiddo, my cousin and my great uncle were physicians in Omaha, and I would see them for my health care. And my cousin was just hilarious. He just loved his job, and so it just made it a very pleasant experience to go visit them. So I kind of fell in love with medicine then. And then as I got into real medicine in med school, I definitely knew that I wanted to be around the kiddos. I like taking care of kids and families and sick kids and healthy kids, and it just was what made me happy every day. I chose the clinic because it has a tremendous reputation in Iowa. I was a resident in Pediatrics in Iowa City, and I was on the phone with Dr. Now, one of my former partners, about transferring a child with a severe burn. And we obviously took care of the patient and made sure everything was great with that transfer. And then we spent a lot of time talking with each other about what was available at McFarland, and they were recruiting. But the other big part is my husband was in veterinary practice in Williamsburg. And he said, okay, we'll take on that job, and we're only going to be there for 2 years when I get my master's degree. And then we're going to go back to small town Iowa somewhere. Well, obviously 34 years later, he's still there and I'm still here. So I want to thank him too. 6 or 7 of us were together as physicians and providers for almost most of those 34 years. And many of the nurses were there for many, many of those years. We have a lot of new young people now, and the same dedication to our patients I see on a daily basis. I took care of one family I saw recently who had a little baby and a mom and the grandma, and I had been the grandma's doctor as well as the mom's doctor and then the baby's doctor. So thank you for letting me see that whole life experience and the years with that. Thank you for letting me take care of the sprains and the broken bones and the serious illnesses and the happy times. It's been my absolute pleasure to be part of that. And thank you to my colleagues. Oh my gosh, they are just wonderful people. And I'm so glad we have such a great department for that to continue. I'm going to miss it. So again, thank you very much.